Listen up, everyone. What this indicates for Shiba Inu currency and Shiba holders is extremely wild, and the bull run signal was just picked. You already know that prices and your gains will be greatly affected by a bull run, right? However, can we trust this signal, and what is it anyway? So to find out what this signal is about, you gotta keep watching. However, there is one thing I can reveal to you in advance. Yeah, this one's very solid. Ensuring a secure fit. Let's take off. Important notice. An influential member of the cryptocurrency community used their X account to leave a crucial warning message. The message reads, "An altcoin enters a mega alt season when its price in relation to Bitcoin increases by 2x to 5x. You should know that alternative coins, sometimes called altcoins or alternative cryptocurrencies, like Shiba Inu, see huge price spikes during a certain time of year in the cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin are referred to as altcoins. When there is a noticeable change in market sentiment, many investors start displaying more interest in studying and investing in different cryptocurrency. This is called alt season. Altcoins frequently beat Bitcoin in price gains during alt season. The cryptocurrency market as a whole, certain project success, new technical breakthroughs, the widespread acceptance of particular altcoins, or general bullish mood are all potential causes of this phenomenon. During alt season, Shiba Inu's audience may see significant price spikes for cryptocurrencies other than Shiba Inu. This is a good time for traders and investors to look into alternative cryptocurrencies as a way to diversify their holding. Note that alt seasons can vary in strength and duration due to the extremely dynamic nature of the cryptocurrency market and its influences. In terms of Bitcoin pairs, 90 of altcoins are currently trading near their all-time lows. Assets in the cryptocurrency trading industry are frequently compared to Bitcoin, the most prominent and well-known cryptocurrency. Whenever the assertion brings up the lowest points ever seen in Bitcoin pairings, the value of these cryptocurrencies, when measured against Bitcoin, is presently around its all-time low. The short version is that these altcoins have underperformed compared to Bitcoin and are currently worth less in Bitcoin than they were before. Based on these numbers, it seems like a lot of altcoins are having trouble keeping up with Bitcoin in terms of value or even increasing it. When alternative cryptocurrencies are underperforming in comparison to Bitcoin, it can indicate a difficult market climate for those assets because investors and traders frequently use Bitcoin as a benchmark. The moment to buy appears to be now. The moment to stock up on altits for the big season of 2024-2025 is now. Speculation in cryptocurrencies is at a peak, and a huge bull market is on the horizon. Accumulate alts means to acquire or amass alternative cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu. This tweet implies that, for those looking to invest in altcoins for the long haul, the time between 2024 and 2025 is ideal. A mega season is when alternative cryptocurrency prices are expected to rise sharply and sustainably for an extended period of time. In the event that these alternative cryptocurrencies experience significant price appreciation within the allotted time frame, the tweet suggests that investors increase their holdings in these assets. A solid approach known as dollar cost averaging may prove to be highly beneficial. A method known as dollar cost averaging involves investing a set amount of money in a cryptocurrency on a regular basis, such as once a week or once a month. Making consistent investments of this amount is crucial. No matter how high or low the price of the coin is right now, is a long-term strategy. This method helps mitigate the effects of short-term price swings. The basic premise is that investments, when held for the long term, tend to grow in value while being relatively unaffected by short-term fluctuations in the market. Now things start to get intriguing. Many early adopters became millionaires because to Shiba Inu's extreme volatility, and market watchers think the coin may repeat the pattern. In August 2020, Shiba Inu was introduced to the world, bringing with it a profitable opportunity that turned early adopters into millionaires. Due to Shiba's low price point, even a small initial investment might provide many people the financial independence they've always wanted. The potential rewards tale takes a big turn for individuals who invested $100 weekly in Shiba Inu from its start to its peak price on October 28, 2021. I should mention that Investing $100 weekly in Shiba Inu from its debut would have yielded $6,400 at the token's all-time high. Investors may have seen a growth of their portfolio of up to $1.38 billion through the use of compound interest. In the near future, the cryptocurrency market might see an influx of capital worth trillions of dollars. Consequently, they anticipate a lengthy and substantial upswing in prices, sometimes called a bull market. When it comes to digital currencies, why though is the year 2024? What makes it unique? Give me a moment to explain yourself. The 4-year cycle is a notion in the cryptocurrency market, especially in relation to Bitcoin. The halving events that Bitcoin undergoes around every 4 years are associated with this cycle. New Bitcoins are not created at the same rate during a halving because the reward for Bitcoin miners is lowered in half. Deflationary pressures are being lowered by slowing the expansion of the supply. The price of Bitcoin has a history of rising in the days preceding and following these halves events. Bullish attitude is fueled by traders and investors who anticipate a decrease in supply and a possible increase in demand throughout these cycles. People are quite optimistic about Bitcoin because of its upcoming halving in 2024. Always keep in mind that altcoins like Shiba intend to mirror Bitcoin's price movement. Put another way, the entire cryptocurrency market reacts in unison as Bitcoin's price rises. Also, this is quite intriguing. More than 80 of Bitcoin holders have already made a profit, and the bull market hasn't yet begun. Into the Block recently updated its users on the significance of this accomplishment, which marks the major cryptocurrency's highest level of profitability in the past 2 years. Still, there's more. Do you recall the Bitcoin ETF that is on the verge of approval? Since the SEC has met with Grayscale and other ETF businesses on numerous occasions in recent weeks to discuss revisions to the ETF application for approval, the likelihood of Bitcoin spot ETF being approved by January 10th, 2024 is 95. Plus, you could be unaware of it. Considering BlackRock's stellar record with the SEC, 575 approvals and just 1 rejection, it's quite probable that a Bitcoin ETF will be approved. Regulatory concerns aside, this change has far-reaching consequences for the cryptocurrency industry as a whole, and, most importantly, for altcoins such as Shiba Inu. If BlackRock's tendency continues, it will send a strong signal to regulators about the legitimacy of cryptocurrencies, which will boost their confidence. As a result, this might attract a fresh group of investors, both large and small scale, regarding Bitcoin and other digital assets such as Shiba Inu. Having said that, a Bitcoin ETF is just the beginning. This paves the way for the potential future introduction of cryptocurrency ETFs, because other cryptocurrencies tend to follow Bitcoin's price movement.